Jirai, is Mr. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish. And today, let's learn the word for island in Irish. There are two words for island in Irish, the most common being il-yawn. Il-yawn. An island. Island. Il-yawn. Another word for island is inish. Inish. You often find the word inish in place names, such as Inish or Innis as it's called in the anglicised version, in County Clare. Inish. Inish can also be anglicised as inch or Inish, spelled I-N-I-S-H. So Innis, Inish or inch. Il-yawn is the word that's most commonly used. For example, the sentence, Tá mé machóni ar il-yawn. I am living on an island. Tá mé machóni ar il-yawn. Tá mé machóni ar il-yawn. Now you know another handy little phrase in Irish. You can learn more Irish by taking the Bite Size Irish free trial at www.bitesize.irish. Slán go bhfuilín.